আমাদের কাছে রায়ান অনেকদিন যাবত ক্লাস করছে। ওর খুব শুরুতেই ক্লাস করছে। শুরুতে একটু হেজিটেশন ছিল, বাট এখন হেজিটেশনটা অনেকটাই কমে গিয়েছে। হোপফুলি যে আমাদের এখানে প্রায় 2 থেকে 3 বছরের একটা প্রজেক্ট, তো আমরা যদি কন্টিনিউ করতে পারি তাহলে হি উইল ডু বেটার। হ্যালো, হোয়াটস ইওর নেম?
My name is Ryan bin Anwar.
Ryan bin Anwar. Okay, so your father's name is Anwar?
Yes.
Okay, you know, my father's name is also Anwar. Okay, we both have the same father's name, right?
Yes.
So we are called in Bangla Mita type, right? Mita father.
Yes.
Okay, if we have the same name, then we can call it the Mita father, okay?
Yes.
Now, Ryan, do you like to speak in English?
Yes, I like to speak in English.
How much do you like?
I love it so much.
You love it so much.
Yes.
So do you have any partner to talk at your home or anywhere?
My friend
Your friend?
Yes.
Who is your friend?
Arafat.
Oh, few minutes earlier he came here and he just talked to me. Okay, so
Yes.
so when you and Arafat just stay together, do you like to speak English with each other?
Yes.
Do you face any problem in talking?
No.
No. Okay. So what do you do in your free time?
I play with my friends.
What type of games do you play?
Football.
Football. Okay. Now, Ryan, let's talk about food and fruits.
Yes.
How many fruits name do you know? Can you just tell me?
I know a lot of
Can you give some examples?
mango, apple, cherry, strawberry, custard apple.
Custard apple.
Yes.
Okay. So at present days, there are so many fruits in the market. So which one do you like most?
Mango.
Mangoes.
Yes.
Okay. Why do you like mangoes? Because it's juicy?
Yes. It's juicy and it's delicious for me.
Delicious.
Yes.
Okay. So how many can you take at a time?
2.
2.
Yes.
Oh, this is bigger one or the smaller the one?
Bigger.
Bigger one.
Yes.
Okay. So do you have any favorite mango names, kinds of mango? Like, you know, that we have so many types of mangoes in our country, like Fozli mango, Amrurupali, then we have Langra, so many mangoes. Do you have any specific types of mangoes that you really like to eat? Or you like all the mangoes?
All the mangoes.
So if the mango is sour, then what do you do? Do you take this?
Yes.
Okay. So when the mango is sour, how do you take? With salt and spice? Any spice?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you do in your free time?
I play with my friends
You play with your friends
and study English.
and study English.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's talk about your class.
Yes.
How much do you like your class at Talent?
I love my class so much.
So much.
Yes.
So do you like to make the fun learning at your classroom?
Yes.
So what fun learning did you do in the last class or in today's class?
Parts of speech.
First speech.
Yes.
Okay. So can you just tell me about pronoun? What is pronoun?
Pronoun replace noun. Like Ryan, he.
Ryan becomes he, right?
Yes.
Okay. For any female, do you have any female friend over there in the class?
No.
So any female classmate?
Yes.
Okay. So you know that Labiba is also doing class over there. So what will be the replace of Labiba if I want to talk about the pronoun?
She.
She. Okay. Then if I say Labiba is a good girl, then how can we replace this?
She is a good girl.
Wonderful. Nice. Thank you very much. You are a very clever boy. Who makes you clever? You clever yourself?
Yes.
MashaAllah. May Allah bless you. And thank you very much for coming. Do you have any question to ask me?
No.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. So, আমাদের কাছে রায়ান অনেকদিন যাবত ক্লাস করছে। ওর খুব শুরুতেই ক্লাস করছে। শুরুতে একটু হেজিটেশন ছিল, বাট এখন হেজিটেশনটা অনেকটাই কমে গিয়েছে। হোপফুলি যে আমাদের এখানে প্রায় 2 থেকে 3 বছরের একটা প্রজেক্ট, তো আমরা যদি কন্টিনিউ করতে পারি তাহলে হি উইল ডু বেটার। সো রায়ান, can you just ask your audience to share your videos?
Guys, share the videos.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.